I'm right on the intersection here of Wallace Road and 19. And Wallace Road, trucks have come through multiple passes, but you can't even tell. It is just nonstop, the rate about an inch or two per hour, and then it's also dropping the visibility. Now we're still dealing with this more relatively dry snow, so it makes it a little bit easier to shovel, but take a look at this sidewalk. My photographer, Mike, and I have shoveled this multiple times, and it just continues to pump on, but it's still that light fluffy snow, so it is going to make it easier if you're just waking up, getting going, and noticing your driveway, your sidewalks are covered. May want to step out for a few minutes and get some of that lighter snow off, because there is the potential, as we start to see that moisture move in, some of that warmer air, these flakes, although they're light right now, they're going to get a little bit heavier. You're going to notice bigger snowflakes. Great for snowman building, great for kids playing outside. Not so great when you're trying to shovel. It gets a little bit harder. It can be harder on your body. So want to be aware of that. But overall, we have been live in Pine Township all morning long. And again, just showing you again the intersection of Perry Highway 19 and Wallace Road, and it has been rough. We've seen multiple cars out, unfortunately, but most areas, again, a lot of salt trucks as well. But it's not just the snow, it's the cold temperatures and the winds dropping the visibility. So if you do have to go out, you really want to pack your patience.